Batmobile is here for a treat. And this is before. Rev it for me. See if there's makes any changes after we get done. Go ahead, putting it inside. That's good. Well, this is what he's gonna put on, or we're gonna put on. Maybe you can tell them what you bought here. Remark.
Remark. Catback exhaust.
Exhaust company. Remark.
Yeah.
I guess this is well known for Supra community, and I think among other cars, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right. Okay. And let's see if we can unbox this thing. I guess it's a two-part. I guess the small one is for the piping from.
It's a meat part, okay. On the pressure.
Alright.
Oh, that's beauty.
Very nice.
Yeah.
It's about 3-inch. You know, I've been watching YouTube, and hopefully you won't have a hard time installing this. The engine is very hot, so we're gonna wait till it cools down a bit.
I believe that's 2.5 and goes to a 3-inch pipe.
No, this is
That's
3-inch.
So that's 3 to 2.5?
Yeah. This is 3-inch.
Oh, okay. My
If I
bad.
can open it. Maybe it goes to 2.5. That's 3-inch.
Yeah, 3 to 2.5. Yeah, look at that. Beauty. Awesome.
Let's see.
Ooh.
No, this thing is so pretty that it's a shame it's underneath. It will all be covered up.
How's the weight? Pretty light?
Well, it's stainless.
Yeah.
So
Oh, look at that pipe.
it's alright, it's not that heavy.
Yeah.
Maybe we should weigh it. I'm gonna get the scale, see how much. We're gonna do a comparison.
Comparison on the
Yeah.
stack.
We're gonna do a comparison, See how the stock compared to this one. See if we are saving or we're adding weight. That would be good to know. But you're turbo, so who cares, right? What's the extra pound on the turbo parts? Oh man.
Oh, look what you got there, bro.
That's it.
That's the real deal right there.
Oh man.
Wow.
I think this is the 2.5 right here. Oh yeah. This is the 2.5.
Okay, huh?
Here we go.
Ooh.
Very nice weld. I think that's being welded by a machine, I think.
This says hand weld, I don't know.
I don't know about handheld.
I don't know, but how good is that hand?
Yeah. Here, come and show some of the weld. Maybe it is hand weld.
That's what it says there on the
Yeah,
side.
see if you could focus it. Look at the welds.
Yeah,
But this one here, that's machine right there.
that's a TIG weld, is it?
Yeah, that's a machine, I think. This one looks like it's handheld. The whole enchilada is right here.
Kind of speechless right now. Ooh.
It's big. Let's see. That boy is
Like a band instrument. It's like, what do you call that big thing on the band?
Huh?
That instrument?
Okay. Oh man, how did I get hurt?
Be careful, it's sharp.
Oh man. Well, here it is. Just get this. Okay, right there.
A good deal of it.
Keep Of course, there's no exhaust system without this.
Signature plate.
And I hope these seals last. Yeah, you'll find out. Yeah, I'm not very fan of this kind of
We don't advertise in.
yeah, this type of gasket. Well, it looks all right because it has the it has a here. See if you could focus it. It has this stainless steel on the inside right here. It's not like some other gasket. This thing splits. Well, you'll see. You'll find out. Okay. And I guess we'll be having fun putting this on. Let me get the scale. And we'll weigh this thing. Okay? Okay, I'm gonna weigh myself. 168 or 160, yeah, 168. Call it 168. Now, what is it?
It's
207? 208?
I didn't see.
About 207. Let's call it 208. 168. 208. Now, all of this. 183. 183 plus this. What is it?
80?
180? Right?
I'm blind.
Yeah, 180. Alright. So 183 and 180.
This is the meat pipe, right?
I don't know which is which. Anyway, I just did the math and we came out with 67 pounds altogether. And 40 pounds is for the muffler assembly. And the two is 15 pounds and the other one is 12 pounds. Which is total of 67 pounds. And now our plan of attack would be remove the old one, and maybe later on I'm gonna weigh the same thing, same procedure, and see if it really will make a difference as far as like the weight. Alright, and now we'll be putting Batmobile to this. Oops, one more.